Hey guys, this is my unboxing of my phone Mi 10 Pro. The version I got is 12GB RAM 256 storage. This was purchased online for 46,000. It's actually equivalent to the official release in the Philippines, which is the 8GB and 256. Also mine is the dual SIM variant. Unfortunately, the global version is only a single SIM. Inside the box is the SIM injector. And here's the headphone jack adapter. Also, the clear case came also free with the phone. I believe this is also available in the global version. Here's some documents but in Chinese. I believe those are instructions. Here is the clear case. It's actually a very good quality. I'm still using it until now. So the phone I purchased was on May 25th. It's been with me for almost 2 weeks before the official release of the Mi 10 in the Philippines. Below you can see here's the charging adapter, which is 65 watts. And for sure I'll be able to use this in my laptop. It supports the Type-C charging. So I'll also try to make a video on that. It really charged the phone around 45 minutes from 0 to 100. And here's the cable that came with it. It supports fast charging. Type-C to Type-A. Now let's see the phone. The phone actually have a really good quality. The reason I got the Mi 10 is because I fall in love with my Mi 6. It has a really premium design and quality, and I love the design. So I've been using the Mi 6 for almost 3 years. I didn't buy the Mi 8 or the Mi 9. I didn't like the design, but once I saw the Mi 10, I just fell in love with it. Here's the phone itself, just removing the stickers that we don't need. So the screen I believe is 6.40 something. And the back panel actually is not that finger magnet. And there's a punch hole. It's really similar to OnePlus 8 Pro or the OnePlus 8 or Samsung devices. And we have a quad camera setup. Also, one of the reason I got the Pro version is because of the zoom. I believe the Pro is the one capable of utilizing the zoom because it's using the other two lenses to assist doing a very good job in quality of the picture. As you can see, there's already an update. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe. I'll be uploading new videos soon. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.